Yeah, oh, this is a shortcut. About 100 cargo trip, man. Oh, what the hell was that? I don't know, it must have been a kangaroo or something. Oh, to go see what it was, I suppose. See the damage. You dog! Shit! We're on the horn out. We ain't going nowhere. Ah! What are we gonna do? We're gonna have to go for help. Let's draw straws. Whoever gets the longest one goes. Is that fine? Everyone happy with that? Okay, take one, Sam. The only way. Take one, man. Measure up. Okay. I'm going. Wish me luck, fellas. It's okay, we're gonna make it, we're gonna be fine, we'll be alright. Alright fellas, I'm off. Sooner Highway, I reckon about quarter mile this way. Alright. Good luck man, good luck. I shouldn't be long, shouldn't be back before dark. Take this, you may need it. Okay, well, I'm off. It's cold! Keep going. Keep going. You scar me. Die. I'm not gonna make it. No food, no water. It's alright, look, we're going to be fine, they'll find us, they'll find us! We're going to die! We're going to die! Look, you wait here, I'm going to find some food. Don't go. It's going to be alright, you stay here, you'll be safe! Don't go! Look, wait here, I'll be 10 minutes. Don't go! Die! Die! Sam, hang on! Sam, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it, Sam! It's getting dark, Joe! No! You can't though, I can't leave you! Get him for me, Joe! Get him!
Only a man living on his own.
Need a lift?
Now, listen to our words.